Welcome back. I was in the middle of a test drive on this 1968 Camaro and pulled off to the side of the road to do a walk around video. If you're new to the channel, check out maplemotors.com. I can get you financed on this. I can also ship it to your front door, get you 100 detailed pictures. And we have an about us section and a frequently asked questions at maplemotors.com. That way you don't even have to give us a call. You can get on there and get a lot of your questions answered. Plus there's 2 videos, test drive and a walk around for every car. Let's get started here. We're gonna be looking for any kind of flaws. That's mainly what we do here, unlike everybody else. You can see the good, we pick out the flaws. This one here is a supercharged 350. It looks awesome, very nasty under the hood. I mean, look at the nitrous lines. We don't have a nitrous tank on this one. It didn't come with it when we bought the car, but it does have everything set up. You can go straight to the strip or you can cruise the road. It's got a full roll cage in there, tubbed, huge tires on the back. They got tread on them, street legal. Got a gas tank in the trunk. Very nice. They did all the carpet in here to make it look good. Might as well look up in the trunk before we move around. Kind of check out the back of the package tray there. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing shut down in the back here. Weather stripping looks good. It's fairly new. Come on down with the trunk. Shuts easily, it lines up good. I got a magnet tag on the back bumper, and the back bumper is in great shape. You can definitely tell they've replaced that. It's very clean, same with the tail lights. Let's run down the side of this car. I'm gonna run down the lower portions, look for any kind of rust, chips, scratches. Anything I see, I'll point it out. Coming on down the back, driver's rear quarter. I love a black car, it just looks awesome. Got a little scratch down there on the bottom. Coming on down here. A little dull spot in the corner. And up over the fender. Back down the mid section here. Nice and clean. Get my shadow out of there so we can actually see. Little wax left over there. It's like a scratch in the paint right here. That should buff out. It looks like it was on top. All the chrome's looking nice and clean around the doors. Same with the mirrors, the door handles. Light scratch right here. Should buff out. There's a chip in the paint there. There's a scratch back here as well. That is on top of the paint. It will come off. Small little bubble in the paint right there. It's like a stain there. I guess those, they did replace all the trim. That's new plastic off of it. Scuff right on top. That should buff out. Looks like somebody was already rubbing on it there. Back window has a few light scratches on it. This car is an attention getter. That's for sure. All the way here, everybody was waving, honking. Front bumper on this one is nice and clean. It's been replaced. The grill's the same way. Sharp. There's a little crack down here in this piece. Went on around this side. We're gonna do the same thing, run down this portion of the car, see if we can find something. A little extra wax. Went up over the fender there. You got a spot in the paint right here, a little bubble. Looks like a dent was there. That's not a bubble, it was a dent. Coming on down. Light scratch right there, that will buff out. Just sitting on the paint. It's hard to hide anything with a black paint job. A little wax there. That will come off. I know some of y'all don't like me touching the car, but I want to make sure this stuff ain't just going to wipe off. And when I say it needs to be waxed off, it's going to have to be waxed off anyways. It's going to be all right. I used to detail for a while, so. But now I do videos. Yeah, they've done a lot of trim on this one. Mirrors, door handles, bumpers. They have put a little spot in that trim there, but it looks great. It's nice and clean. Let's keep coming down the side of the car here. Picked up some dirt from the road right there. That is in the paint and it will not come out. So there's a little chip there. You probably get it to blend better. Some touch-up paint, but definitely don't think this car needs a paint job. It looks great. Light scratches on the fender, probably where they've been wiping it off or working on it under the hood here. Okay, front windshield looks good. Roof, there's a little spot right here in the middle. It's been scuffed up a little bit. Like I said, Mr. Miyagi comes on this car, it probably look great. Wax on, wax off. See some swirls back here too. We made it around. Let's check the interior out. Then we get her started up. Buzzer works. This thing's kind of suck. It's gonna be buzzing for a minute. Let's run through this. Door panel's in good shape. Weather stripping's new around the door. Checking the bottom of the door. That looks solid to me. Checking the jams. Trim looks new. You get a chip here coming up around that. Roll cage, full roll cage in this one. Well, almost full. At least you can get in and out. I do like that part. Looks like our gas pedal fell off during the test drive. I was having to keep this car running by feathering the gas. They have fairly new carpet back here, tubbed. Package tray looks great. Headliner looks awesome. I like the way they did that package tray. Matches the carpet, looks good. I haven't seen that much. All the cars that we get in, you don't see where they match the carpet with the package tray. That actually looks really good back there. Dash is in great shape. Until they've replaced it. Older visors, but they're not falling apart. Stitching on this one's a little bit weak. Still looks good. Seats are in great shape. I never even showed this one, did I? We gotta check it out. Can't just miss that. All right, so we're gonna check this seat out. A little squishy here on the corner. But other than that, she looks good. It's in good shape. Let's jump in here and come across the dash. All right. Dash is in great shape. You got the tack up here. I can show you the mileage. People want to see the mileage, but I can't stand behind it because the motor's been changed out. This is a 68 model, and gauges can be swapped out. The radio on this one, it does work. It cuts on, but I can't get any tunes to come out, which I don't know exactly where the speakers are in this one, but blower motor does not cut on, and wipers do not work. We'll be trying this horn. You ready? And the horn doesn't work. Let's go ahead and get her started up. We'll listen to the motor here. And let's do this. gauges down here are working. This one's not hooked up. Fuel pressure's up. Engine temperature's up. Tack. I do have to constantly keep my foot on the gas to keep it running. Let's see if I could jump out long enough to grab the throttle up there. If I let go of it, staying running right now. Good deal. Exhaust is up under the car. She smells sweet. You can hear that exhaust leak right here. Awesome. There we go. All right. Yeah, this car is wild. I really like it. Go ahead and hit this other side over here as well. She smelled like she's got some racing gas in her for sure. Let's look up under here. So we got older exhaust right there. Low to the ground. Hopefully I can get my camera up under this on the test drive video to check it out. Right. Well, I do hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely go check that test drive video out. We have it like the last 30 seconds of this one. And also have financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, information about us, frequently asked questions, all at maplemotors.com. That's something new that we've added too, so it's worth checking out. It's a big list of stuff. It keeps the calls down from us and answers a lot of questions without y'all having even to do that. So, but if you do want to call us, 615-822-4444. Definitely give us a shout. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Later.